Hi guys, Sean here from Concept Chemicals, and today we're going to be actually demonstrating how to basically mix a snow foam and apply a snow foam to a vehicle. So this particular one is the Zirconite Snow-Foam Max. From a dilution rate, we can dilute this particular product 1 part chemical up to 15 parts water. For the purpose of this exercise, I've actually predetermined some weights and measures. So what we're going to do, we're going to put 100 millilitres of product into 1,000 millilitres of water. So that's going to give us 1,100 millilitres of ready to use product through the snow foam. So as with any snow foaming product, it's essential that the actual product is applied via a foaming lance. This is obviously going to aerate the product, it's going to create the foam blanket. So let's see how it works. Snow foams work from the bottom up, primarily to give the contact time to the most heavily soiled parts of the vehicle. So from a pressure washing down perspective, if you look at the vehicle, you'll notice now probably 2, 3, 5 minutes into the application, the product has actually started to split and break down. So what's happened with the product, it's actually encapsulated the dirt and it's slowly starting to pull the dirt from the surface of the car, and then all that remains is that we just need to pressure wash the car down. Let's do it. Let's pressure wash it down and see what type of finish we've got.